Hey, good morning, afternoon. This is Orr over near the White Tank Mountains between that and Surprise, Arizona. Hey, we're on day 6 of week 10 here today. And if you're new to my channel, I'm running a Mars Hydrø TSW 2000 with a Mars Hydrø 3x3 tent. I've been doing this setup for the last 4 or 5 years. This is Grow 9, and all of the genetics you see here are from 123 Fat Buds in Virginia. Rick and Eugene, the two Grow Bros, the Virginia Grow Bros, as I call them. Good genetics. This is the first different genetics I've grown in almost 2 years. Prior to this grow, I grew Crazy Girls, and so this is a treat for me because they are entirely different as far as the growth pattern and the whole thing. You know, the plants and everything. If you go back and look at them, mine were short and pretty decent sized colas. These are tall, beautiful plants. I really love it. Up in the front here, we've got a Blue Dream, and then next to her is a Dream Rider. This one's close. Beautiful plant right there, beautiful. And we've got a Caribbean Dream right here. And back here, we have an American Gangster, I believe. Yep. And that's that Blue Dream back there. And of course, I've got this 1 gallon plant, an American Gangster. And I have no idea what's in that solo cup. I forgot. Temperatures outside, guys, is really cool today. It's only going to be about 75 degrees, which is nice. Just 2 weeks ago, we had 102 degrees. So that's an indication it's going to be a hot, hot summer. All righty, there you have it. And having a good time over here. Hopefully you guys are too. And let's just take a close look at a couple of these buds. This is a big cola back here. That's the Blue Dream. Let me check here. Yeah, that's the American Gangster. She's the tall one. Look at that. I did very little LSTing. I bent this one over and left the clip on. You can see if she got any bigger, she's going to break the clip. They will break clips. There's another one over here that I left. And if you look closely, you'll see really had no adverse effect on the plant itself. At least I don't think so. So getting some fade, which is a good thing, getting rid of the chlorophyll. It's getting close to that end. Getting close, guys. And yeah, I love these plants, Rick. Really do. 123 Fat Buds, Rick, Virginia. All these are from him. And really, hey, he had a great giveaway today. If you missed it, yeah, it's unusual. You need to go check his channel out and watch it. And a lot of winners and very, very generous man back there. He's given out a whole ton of seeds to a whole lot of people. And I'll speak for everybody else. That's pretty cool, Rick. God damn. Very generous and entertaining. You need to watch that giveaway if you haven't seen one like that. Awesome. All right, I'm going to get out of here. And I might go out back later, but for sure I got to throw up some song. I'm addicted to that. Feel free to just not watch. You don't need to comment on these things. I mean, if you want to, it's great. But I just do it to show you some different sounds out there. All right, I'm going to check this off at just the correct time, and we'll be back on another day. But it's 420 somewhere. This video is going to be 420 in length if I do it right